The California Dream. Flipping houses for profit. California, the land of endless sunshine and opportunity. Known for its beautiful landscapes and vibrant communities, California is a prime location for real estate investment. The Golden State holds a unique allure for those seeking to build wealth through real estate. Its dynamic market offers countless opportunities. House flipping, when done right, offers the chance to turn a profit while revitalizing communities. It's a win-win situation. It's hard work, no doubt, but the rewards can be life-changing. The process involves dedication, skill, and a keen eye for potential. Imagine finding a diamond in the rough, a hidden gem with good bones but in need of some TLC. These properties are waiting to be transformed. With vision and effort, you can transform that house into a dream home. The journey from fixer-upper to fabulous is incredibly rewarding. Not only will you reap the financial benefits, but you'll also experience the satisfaction of creating something beautiful and valuable. It's about more than just money. The California market is competitive, but that's what makes it so exciting. The thrill of the hunt and the joy of success are unparalleled. There's always a demand for quality homes, and with the right strategy, you can succeed in this lucrative field. The potential is immense. So, are you ready to grab your hammer and get started? Let's dive in and explore the exciting world of house flipping in California. House flipping is simple in concept, but it requires careful execution and a strategic approach. The process involves purchasing a property, renovating it to increase its value, and then selling it for a profit. Sounds easy, right? Well, there's more to it than meets the eye. The key is to buy low and sell high. This means finding undervalued properties with potential, often those in need of repairs or updates. You then invest in renovations that will attract buyers and command a higher asking price. Successful house flippers possess a blend of skills. You need an eye for design, an understanding of construction, and a knack for marketing. Additionally, having a good grasp of the local real estate market is crucial. Don't worry, these skills can be learned and honed over time. With the right knowledge and guidance, anyone can learn to flip houses and potentially make a significant profit. California's real estate landscape is as diverse as its geography. From bustling cities to charming coastal towns, each region presents unique opportunities and challenges for house flippers. Understanding the local market is crucial to success. Research areas with strong demand for housing and a track record of property value appreciation. Consider factors like proximity to amenities, schools, and employment centers. Look for neighborhoods on the upswing, where revitalization efforts are underway. Remember, location is everything in real estate. A well-chosen location can significantly impact your profit margin. Take the time to analyze different areas and identify those with the highest potential for a successful flip. Section 4 Foundations. First, research, planning, and budgeting. Before you even think about swinging a hammer, you need a solid plan. Start with thorough research. Analyze market trends, property values, and renovation costs in your target area. Next, create a detailed budget that includes everything from purchase price and closing costs to renovation expenses and holding costs. Factor in unexpected repairs. They always pop up. Having a realistic budget is vital to avoid financial pitfalls. Remember, failing to plan is planning to fail. The more thorough you are in the initial stages, the smoother your flipping journey will be. Section 5. Flipping in action. Buy, renovate, sell. You've found the perfect property and secured your financing. This is the first step in your flipping journey. Now the real fun begins. It's time to transform this house into a dream home. The buying process involves due diligence, inspecting the property, negotiating the price, and closing the deal. Make sure to cover all bases. Once you own the property, it's time for renovations. This is where your vision starts to take shape. Focus on improvements that add value and appeal to buyers. Think about what will make the home stand out. Think kitchens, bathrooms, flooring, and curb appeal. These are the areas that can make or break a sale. Hire reputable contractors and manage the project closely to stay on schedule and within budget. Communication is key. Finally, it's time to stage and list your beautifully renovated property. Presentation is everything. Market it strategically to attract the right buyers. Use all available channels to get the word out. Negotiate offers effectively and aim for a smooth closing. Every detail counts. Congratulations, you've successfully flipped a house. Enjoy the fruits of your hard work and dedication.